Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if you keep getting this error in Google Chrome that says this setting is disabled on manage browser. So to fix this, you'll first need to go to the search box on your computer. Now type in Registry Editor. Now select the first result. In the Registry Editor window that opens, you'll need to delete a bunch of files. Now for this, use the link in the description to head to this Google support page. Now scroll down to the Windows section and expand it. Here you will see a list of entries. You'll need to delete each of these registry keys on your computer one by one. For this, first simply go ahead and copy the first path. Now go to the Registry Editor window. Paste the copied path here and hit enter. Now once you see this, right click on it and select delete. You'll need to repeat this process for each of these entries one by one. So copy this again, copy the second entry, paste it here and hit enter. Then once you find the key, go ahead and delete it. If you don't find it, there's no need to worry. Just delete as many as you can find on your computer. Once this is done, you will also need to delete this registry key from your computer. After this is done, finally copy this path. Now right click on the start icon and select run. Now paste the path here and hit OK. In the File Explorer window that opens, you will see a bunch of files here. If you do, just select them all and hit the delete button. After that, go ahead and restart your computer. Once you do, you should not see this setting is disabled on manage browser error in Google Chrome. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.